Yo, let's go fam. My name's Tommy and I'm super passionate about Web3, DeFi, NFTs, all that kind of thing. In today's video, I'm going to show you why I believe everyone should own their Web3 domain name, identity, digital identity, gamer tag, or whatever you want to own through the services of Unstoppable Domains. Before we get started, if you like this kind of content, then please like the video. That will really help me out. So here we are in unstoppabledomains.com. It's your name. Own it. Own your digital identity in the digital world. Get started with a Web3 domain. So you can basically search in here for anything you want, like Tommy8. Then you can have .crypto, .nft, .x, .wallet, .bitcoin, .dao, .888, .zil, or .blockchain. So I mean, I do have Tommy8.nft and Tommy8.wallet. So I could go out and buy .crypto, .blockchain, or .x. Any of these basically, .88. But to be honest, I've got these two, and I do have an ENS one, which is Tommy8.eth as well. So I'm happy with the three that I do have. But you will want to come in here and search for whatever your name is. Say it's Karen, and then you can go and buy that. Maybe your name's not Karen. Hopefully your name's not Karen. Anyway, so yeah, Karen.nft is 12,500. Obviously, the more characters you have, so if you put a number in it, it might be a lot cheaper. Well, it will be a lot cheaper. I know that for a fact. That's what I'm talking about. $25. Karen. There you go. Karen 1. Karen 1999. If you're born in 1999, you could go and buy that for probably even cheaper than $25. Yeah, $10. So I mean, obviously you want to choose your name or your digital identity or your gamer tag or whatever it is, and you can buy that and keep that as an NFT to use it for your Web3 identity. If your name's Karen, Karen is a oh, I don't know, let's stop with the Karen jokes, that's not that funny. But like, whatever you want to do, you can go in here and I can give you $10 and I'll get $10. So basically use my link that's in this bottom of this description, and I can give friends $10 credit. So you can go and get Karen 1 or Karen 1999 for $10. So basically go and get one for $10. It's free. Earn $10 after they make their first purchase of $40. So if you spend $40 or more, I'll get $10 as well, which is even better for me. That would be great if I got a kickback. But I'm not doing this video just to give you that referral link. I'm just doing it to help everyone out because I want to spread awareness, because I believe in this Web3 identity. And like, you could probably go and get Ken, Dodds, Dads, Dogs Dead for $10. I mean, maybe someone's taking it. Who's someone stupid enough to take it? Probably. Oh, Ken Dodds Dad's Dog Dead Crypto is $40. So you can get it on the blockchain for $10. So I mean, obviously, like, you can come up with your own, but probably put 69 on the end. You've got to leave a like on the video for this because it's just so funny. Yeah, $10. Go and get Ken Dodds Dad's Dogs Dead 69.crypto for $10. Use my link and it's free. It's brilliant. And then you've got Ken Dodds Dad's Dogs Dead crypto just to mess around with, and you've got your first ever Web3 digital identity. So let's go and have a look at my domains while we're here. I'll go on account, my domains. I do have quite a few, so I don't just have my name. I do have like champmanager.nft, charizardox.nft, digitalfootballcards.nft, disneyclub33.dao, eliteram.crypto, footballmad.nft, giddyowl.crypto, holygrails.nft. I'm pretty bullish on that one, selling that one in the future. marvelcollectibles.nft, metaverselandforsale.nft, nintendoworld.nft, pixarpals.nft, rltrunning.blockchain, run2collect.nft, sarkgaming.crypto, then my Tommy8s, vegasverse.888, and walk2collect.nft. So like, I do have quite a few. They're all on the Polygon blockchain now as well. Before, they used to be on the Ethereum chain. This one's on the Ethereum chain. This was the first ever one I bought. This was mine and my son's gaming channel. So we like play games like Nintendo Switch and Xbox and stuff. And it's just his gaming channel. So I had sarkgaming.crypto. That back then, that was the only one you could get. You couldn't get .nft or .wallet or anything. It was just .crypto. So yeah, you set up, you'll click on it, manage it, or you can bridge it to Polygon now. Profile. So our profile is Tommy and Alfie. You can fill all this in and you can put your website in. You can add your Twitter handle, your Discord, all that. I haven't really set it up properly. And then, but you can for yours, and then you can go on your crypto payments. So this is really good. I know this isn't a massive thing in the future right now, but in the future, this will be massive. You can add your Bitcoin address, your Ethereum address, your Cardano address, your Zilliqa address, your Solana and Hedera hashgraph. But basically, so if someone wants to pay me Bitcoin, instead of typing all this, which is my public address, they can just put in sarkgaming.crypto and it will send it to this Bitcoin address here or my Ethereum address here. which is verified. I mean, I haven't verified my Cardano or my Bitcoin. I don't know why. It's that old. I haven't really bothered with it for a while. And then you can create your website as well through Sart Gaming. So, and it's all uploaded on the IPFS, which is the Interplanetary Filing System, which is basically a Web3 decentralized cloud that stores all your data. Stores all your data on the cloud. So it uploads to the IPFS and then no government can touch it. It's pretty good actually. But don't put anything dodgy on there because you'll still probably get in trouble. I know what you're thinking. So yeah, then you can go on your website. I did actually create a website. Oh, here it is, look. So if I type in sartgaming.crypto in my search bar, the IPFS comes up and then here's the website. So this is what it is. I haven't changed this for absolutely ages. This is me and my sons, like Tommy and Alfie. And yeah, it's very, very basic, but you can go into the website builder and build your own version of this. And then like you can have a hyperlink to go to a different, like a Web2 website or to your NFTs for sale or whatever you want to do. Or to your YouTube channel or whatever, you know, like, I mean, this was on Ethereum. So I remember I set this up and then if I wanted to do any editing, I had to pay gas fees because it's all minted on the Ethereum blockchain. And it was like $40 odd at the time back in like 2021 or 20 or whenever it was when I first had it. So yeah, you definitely want to mint it on the Polygon blockchain now, because it's obviously cheaper, gas fees, a lot cheaper. You can transfer it, you can sell your domain. So basically you'll get, once you mint your domain, or your name, it will come as an NFT and you can trade it in OpenSea or on any NFT marketplace you want if someone wants to buy it. So like for me, I have like the Holy Grails one, for example. I think I could sell that for like 10 ETH or something in the future. Maybe it's if someone wanted to like have an NFT shop that just sold Holy Grails and that would be their like website people visit, that's their payment network. Like I could list this, like someone would someone want to pay $10,000 for it or 100,000? I don't know if they'd pay that much. But remember the Web2 domains, they were a massive thing. Like these Web3 domains are the new things that in the future they could take off and be like earn you astronomical amounts of money just for holding like these silly ones like digital football cards.nft. Like if someone wants to sell digital football cards, which are NFTs, and make it a business, an online business in the metaverse, and they've got this domain, like that's what they want. That's their name of their company, their business and everything, all under one like this thing, which is brilliant really. So I mean, I do have an ENS one. I'll show you this one quickly, like tommy8.eth. So it's obviously linked to my Ethereum main address as well, but these ones do expire. So this expires in 2031. So I bought it for 10 years. I bought this one in 2021. I did get on the ENS airdrop, which was nice. I am bullish on these ones as well, but not as much as the unstoppable domains, because these ones you have to renew. Like I got 10 years, but you could have bought it for 1, 2, 3 years. So after the 10 years, I'm going to have to renew it. Well, before the 10 years, if I don't want it to expire. The unstoppable ones, wherever they've gone, these ones are yours forever. No more renewal fees. That's why I'm super bullish on them. And here you go. Look, straight in OpenSea, holygrails.nft. This is what it looks like, owned by Tommy8. 4 people have viewed it. I haven't listed it for sale, but I could list it for whatever I want to sell it for. Transferred 1 day ago. I just literally minted it because I bought it a while ago, but I hadn't minted it as an NFT. So I just minted it the other day when I was looking into this, doing this video. So I really do believe you should own your name, your digital Web3 identity, whatever it is, your gamer tag, whatever you want as a future crypto payment to be involved in the Web3 space. Like I would leave that link in the description for you to come and use the $10 for free. You might as well use it. Get your feet wet if you've never done this before. Like, leave us a comment if you need any help. I'll definitely help you. If you like me enough to subscribe and want to know how passionate I am about Web3 and all that kind of stuff, then subscribe, like the video as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.